Hello everyone. In this demo, we are going to show how a CXL shared memory, which is shared across two physical hosts using a switch, can be used by those hosts using Fabric Attached Memory File System, shortly Famfs. So we have a CXL device sitting behind an XCON switch, and two physical hosts are connected to this XCON switch. We have the host 1 here, which is EMR020, and another host, which is EMR021, and we have the CXL device DAX0.1. It is in DevDAX mode. This is the same CXL device which is shared between these two hosts. So now we are going to format a FAMFS file system onto this device. So in this case, host 020 is the master node. And in this formatting output, we can see that this is the UUID for this file system instance. And we have 128 GB capacity on the device. And this CXL device is a CZ120 with capacity of 128 GB, which is shared between these two hosts. So now we have the file system formatted onto the device. Now we can mount the file system. We have to use the famfs command line utility to mount it onto the file system. So it's mounted. This also requires famfs kernel module to be available. And on the other node also we can mount. We do not need to do the formatting here as it's already done. And okay, now we can create directories using the command line, famfs command line. We can see the CXL device, CXL directory created. So let me create a file here. And let me copy some text into it. Copy this file into famfs master node and verify that the data can be read at the client node. So we are in the master node, copying some text, random text, and okay, hopefully we can see it on the other side. So I have created this file in the local file system. Now I can copy this file onto using famfs copy command. To slash 19 famfs cxl. directory. It's copied. Now we can see that there is no file visible here. That is because the client is not aware that files have been created. We need to do an operation called Famfs log play for the client to read the file system's metadata and understand that new files have been created. So it saw that two log entries are there, one new file and one new directory has been created. So now if we do ls again, we should be able to see the directory, and then inside the directory we are able to see the example file.txt. So let's see the contents of this file. And yes, so the file that we just created and copied onto the file system is available here. So we can see that the underlying device is the same, and the same data is accessed by both the hosts. Like this, we can copy large databases into Famfs.